When your AC stops working, just call the experts at KS Services Heating and Air. They're fast and affordable. Right now, purchase any Bryant energy efficient system and save with 0% interest for 60 months with approved credit. It comes included with a 5-year labor warranty. And our fair price guarantee means that we will always give you 3 quotes for every situation. A good, better, and best. Call KS Services Heating and Air today. We roll on, whatever it takes.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition for Wednesday, the 9th of August. I'm James Spann. Soupy, moist air over the state. A number of showers around today. When will we see drier weather? And the tropics getting fairly active, so let's check things out. There's the water vapor satellite view. Same old setup, a maritime tropical air mass. The air aloft a little colder than usual for this time of the year. The air is unstable. The southern edge of the westerlies nearby. And a number of showers around. That's the visible satellite view coming off the new GOES 16 satellite. This afternoon, you see those clusters of showers and storms. Here's the radar view at 2:41. At that point, the heavier rain over on the eastern side of the state. All those showers producing very heavy amounts of rain, but at least they're moving along at a pretty good clip. We've had no flooding problems so far today. Temperatures, again, no 90s on the board. Only 79 at Birmingham, 76 at Cullman on this mid-August afternoon. Pretty remarkable. Flash flood watch for parts of central and west Alabama through tonight. That includes Birmingham, Pell City, Talladega, Tuscaloosa, Greensboro, Aliceville, Utah, York, Livingston, Fayette, Kennedy in West Alabama. And again, with this type pattern, we could see some isolated flooding at basically any time at any place with these heavy downpours. There's the severe weather outlook for the rest of today and tonight. A couple of marginal risks well to the west tomorrow. Slight risk over Kansas, parts of Colorado. Day 3, which is Friday, we have a marginal risk down here across the deep south. This includes about the northern half of Alabama, Tuscaloosa, Birmingham, Anniston north, maybe some hail and gusty winds. But again, the main issue is going to be the threat of heavy rain and isolated flooding problems. As you can see by this graphic, this is the expected rain for the next 7 days. Rain amounts of at least 2 inches. Some spots probably getting more. Let's talk tropics. A lot of things are going on here. We've got one wave coming off the coast of Africa, a wave in the central Atlantic east of the Leeward Islands, a little trough over the Bahamas, and Franklin, which is might be a hurricane by the time you watch this, in the Bay of Campeche. Here's a look at Franklin. Looks like some dry air kind of working around the north side of that thing. The top winds are at 70 miles an hour, so a pretty good chance this becomes a hurricane by the time of landfall. If the dry air doesn't impede that, this will come in tonight over the coast of Mexico, way south of Brownsville, Texas. It dissipates inland over Mexico. For these other systems, that little trough over the Bahamas not expected to develop, but the wave in the Atlantic east of the Leeward Islands, that might have a chance. It's been fighting sheer and dry air, and if anything does happen to form there, very high chance it recurves off the east coast of the United States with no landfall potential. So for now, there is nothing threatening the northern Gulf of Mexico or the Alabama or northwest Florida Gulf Coast, which is a good thing if you're beach-bound. Model fans, check it out. This is the 12Z GFS, valid tomorrow afternoon at 1 o'clock. And again, we've got troughing north of the state, and down below that, it's the same setup. It's like a wet sponge, and the slightest little pocket of cold air aloft, surface convergence, it's going to kick off a number of showers and storms. It won't rain all day, but it will rain at times, and the high will be in the 80s because of the clouds and showers. Not much change on Friday, and really for the weekend, not a whole lot of change. This is Saturday. Occasionally cloudy with scattered to numerous showers and storms, and the same thing on Sunday. It is impossible to give start-stop times for these showers. You just have to work around them, and they could come at any hour of the day or night in this pattern. Any change next week? Probably not. This is Monday. Here's Tuesday. Still very moist. You know, the GFS for a while tried to pull drier air down in here. That idea is kind of off the board. Here's a week from today, Wednesday the 16th, troughing over the northeastern states. And again, a surface boundary just north of here, scattered to numerous showers and storms. This is the end of the forecast period, out 10 days. This is Saturday, August 19th. Westerlies are retreating a little to the north, and that's suggesting that heat levels might creep up slightly with fewer showers. And let's just keep going. Why not? This is we'll dive into the land of voodoo. And by that, if you're new to this, anything beyond 7 days, we call it that. This is Eclipse Day, Solar Eclipse Day, Monday the 21st of August. That just doesn't look good. But again, don't panic. There's no skill at all in identifying the weather this far in advance. We'll give you a pretty good first look at it this weekend. Check the numbers. For some reason, the GFS ensemble ramps it up to 93 tomorrow. I don't buy that. I think we stay in the 80s basically every day through mid-month, which is pretty remarkable. Lows across the board, mostly in the 70s. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.
AC broken? Just call KS Services Heating and Air. All Bryant energy-efficient systems come with a 5-year labor warranty, and our fair price guarantee means that we'll always give you 3 quotes for every situation. Just call KS Services Heating and Air today.